Hello friends, I am your friend and law of attraction coach Magical Mohit, and today I'm going to talk about 5 things I wish I knew when I started law of attraction practices. So when I was in college, जब मैं college में था, I think it was 2009, yes. So when I came to know about the Secret movie, the Secret book, I was very excited. At that time it was very new, and I saw the movie I think 3 to 4 times, and I started practicing from the second day itself. So I believe that when you also started to know about law of attraction, when you came to know about the law of attraction for the first time, you must be also very excited, right? Wow, this is completely amazing knowledge. I used to think that I wish that I knew this before. अगर ये मुझे पहले पता होता तो अब तक मैंने कितना कुछ लाइफ में मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया होता. So I was very excited. I was just I think 19 years young at that time, and when I saw the movie for the first time, I was like, wow man, this knowledge is life transforming. This is superb. I should start following this from next day itself. So I started practicing and I did a lot of things, but to be frank, I made a lot of mistakes. To be frank, I wasn't able to manifest everything at that time. So I made a lot of mistakes, but it's okay. We all learn from mistakes. You should always forgive yourself for the mistakes that you are making, because at the end of the day, no one is perfect. We all are learning from our mistakes. But now it's been like 11 years I have been doing research on law of attraction. 11 साल से मैं ये टॉपिक के ऊपर रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. I have read more than hundreds of books till now. I have joined lot of workshops. I have myself started this Mind, Body and Soul school in 2015, when I came to know that my passion is to help people. And when I help people, when I teach law of attraction, I feel very happy in life. So I started this in 2015. Until now, I'm very happy to share that I have helped more than 25,000 people from all across the world, and there are thousands of success stories on my website. You can just go to my website and check it out. So I have personally mentored so many people, and I just want to help you today. Yes, I want to help you because I know a lot of you guys are starting to know about law of attraction. A lot of you guys are beginners, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes that I made. So there are 5 things that I wish that I knew when I was new into this law of attraction practices. If I knew that, then it would have been very, very easy for me to practice and get results. So let me just straight go to the point. Okay, the first thing that I wish that I knew when I started practicing law of attraction is that we should always have a morning ritual. Yes, पहले मैं कभी भी प्रैक्टिस करता था, सुबह को, दोपहर को, शाम को, ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस, विजुअलाइजेशन प्रैक्टिस, मेडिटेशन, पूरे दिन में जब भी टाइम मिलता था तब करता था. लेकिन सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है दैट हाउ यू स्टार्ट योर डे. The first 1 hour of your day is very, very special. So how you feel in that first 1 hour of the day, it sets the entire tone for the day. So when I found my mistake, I started to wake up early in the morning. I used to wake up around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 1 घंटा में डेली खुद को देता था. Yes, 1 hour I used to give to myself. Now I give 2 hours every single day to myself. But yes, when I started understanding about my mistake, I started giving 1 hour. I used to practice gratitude in the morning. I used to practice meditation in the morning. I used to practice visualization in the morning, and I used to say this morning intention, positive intention, that today is going to be the best day of my life. So this morning ritual is very important. Always remember this. The second thing that I wish that I knew was practicing is more important than knowledge. Initially, I used to make a lot of mistakes. Like I used to read a lot of books on law of attraction. I used to watch a lot of videos, but मैं practice नहीं करता था. मैं सिर्फ books पढ़ते रहता था और उसमें ही मेरा time जाता था. But after I realized my mistake, the most important thing that I got to know is that reading books will only give you knowledge. Watching videos will only give you knowledge. It is not going to change your life. But if you practice, when I started practicing, then everything started to change automatically. So I became more positive, I became more happy when I started practicing gratitude. I started attracting my desires when I started visualizing every single day for 1 month to 2 month time period. So this is a very important point. The third thing I wish I knew was following your happiness is the most important thing. Yes, बहुत लोग अपना time waste करते हैं by I used to also spend time with the people I really didn't enjoy. I used to do a lot of things I hate at that time period when I was in college. So yeah, we all make mistakes, right? We don't have anyone to help us, so we all make mistakes. So when I saw The Secret movie for I think 10-20 times, I realized that feeling good, feeling happy is the most important thing. So I started doing more things every single day that used to make me feel more happy in life. The fourth thing that I wish I knew at that time in the beginning was you need to be patient. Yes, I think you all will agree with me that we humans, we have become very impatient nowadays. हमको सब कुछ एक दिन में चाहिए, 2 दिन में चाहिए, सब जल्दी चाहिए. ड्रीम कार आज चाहिए, रातों रात करोड़पति बनना है, 1 महीने के अंदर लाइफ पार्टनर चाहिए, शादी करना है, सब कुछ अभी चाहिए. And I was also like that, but I failed lot of times. I failed lot of times to manifest my goals. मैं लिखता था मेरे मंथली गोल्स और कभी कभी उसको मैनिफेस्ट होने में 6 महीने लग जाते थे. So after reading lot of books, after doing a lot of practices, I realized that some things can be easily manifested in 1 month time period. Some things take like 3 months time period. Some things they take 1 year time period. It depends. So it's a process. Law of attraction is a process. आप एक दिन में सब कुछ अचीव नहीं कर सकते हो लाइफ में. You need to be patient. And when I started being patient, when I started just enjoying every single day, enjoying the practices and not thinking about the future or the end result, I just enjoyed the practices and followed my happiness. Actually, I started getting more positive results, more quick results. So I realized that yes, you have to be patient and don't expect very quick results. If you are patient, you will get 100% results. Okay. And the fifth and the final thing that I wish I knew when I was beginner, when I started practicing law of attraction, was consistency is the key to success. Yes. Initially, to be very frank, I was not consistent. I used to practice for 5 to 10 days and I used to take a break. Something or other happened and I used to take a break for 5 days. फिर वापस से 5 दिन प्रैक्टिस किया, फिर 2-4 दिन प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया, तो मुझे इतने अच्छे रिजल्ट नहीं मिलते थे. कभी कभी मुझे लगता था यार लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन काम ही नहीं कर रहा है. व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग, व्हाई इज लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन नॉट वर्किंग. बट after doing like 11 years of research on this subject of law of attraction, now I feel that I've started to understand my mistakes and I've started to master. After teaching thousands of people, I have learned a lot of things from them, and one of the thing is that if you are consistent in practices, that you will get quick results. If you are not consistent, then you will not get quick results. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you really like my video, please comment below, like and share it with your friends, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch more free videos like this in the coming days. Thank you so much, and have a magical life. Thank you so much.